I got a new blade for the Sears Craftsman. This one was just totally worn out. Really didn't want to use this. It's got a chunk missing on the end here. Probably the original. Got a very unusual design, this Star Design blade adapter. So I had to go to Sears to get that. It's part number 421825. So that will make it cut much better and make it more sellable, I would believe. So we're going to go ahead and put this blade on. Well, here's the last look of the Craftsman now, all cleaned up. Got the new blade put on. And change the oil in this as well. And clean the air filter in it. It turned out really nice. This is a great engine here, the 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Clean the air filter in this as well. So it really cleaned up very nicely here. Got a new fancy red blade on here. And the only thing wrong with this is this cover was loose and the blade was hitting. Is the reason why I believe they sold this. Self-propel works. So this lawnmower is in very good shape. The only thing I wish I could have gotten to work is I do have a charger. I did connect it up and let it run for 24 hours, but it didn't charge. It's a battery underneath. I'm sure the battery needs to be replaced, so I won't do that. That's pretty expensive. So I'm going to tie the handlebars up and let's give this a last start here. This is something else I also like to provide, is a owner's manual if I can. If the owner doesn't have one, a lot of websites you can find, particularly the Sears and the Troy-Bilt, you can look up the model number and find a manual to print out, which comes in, I think, very handy for parts and things, and it's in Spanish as well. It's multiple language, and it's got parts diagram and parts you can look up. Just something I like to add as well when I sell these lawnmowers. Alright, got the handle tied down on this. Let's give it a prime here and see if we can get it start first time here. One thing for sure, washing this got rid of that "I've been under the house for a year" smell, because it had this moldy smell to it. Certainly looks much better. Let's give it a start here, see if it starts first time. Here we go.